Good morning, my green-loving buddies. Here I have a plant which many of you would easily be able to recognize, especially cooking enthusiasts. Absolutely correct. It is parsley. Parsley is native to Central and Eastern Mediterranean region, but now it is cultivated and used throughout the world. It is used in cooking as a herb for garnishing and other purposes. It is used for its aromatic flavor. It can also be used in soups and sauces. Growing parsley is not only useful in the kitchen but also as a beautiful ornamental plant. We grow it by scattering regular seeds from the seed store. 60 to 70% will surely germinate. The nutritious plant is rarely affected by diseases and pests. Parsley tolerates average soil, but it is recommended that it be planted in soil rich in organic matter and well-draining soil. When growing parsley, always choose a location that gets full sun to partial shade. It needs very little maintenance. There are two main types of parsley: flat leaf parsley and curly leaf parsley. Flat leaf parsley is also known as Italian parsley. Flat leaf parsley has a flavor which is somewhat stronger than curly leaf parsley. However, both flat leaf and curly leaf parsley are mild. We harvest parsley and add it to several dishes. In India, parsley is sometimes also called ajmod. Parsley is a natural breath freshener. The health benefits of parsley include preventing halitosis, promoting bone health, boosting immune system, fighting skin cancer, fighting diabetes, keeping the heart healthy, serving as a natural antibiotic, and detoxifying the body. Other benefits include fighting arthritis, giving clearer complexion, and promoting healthy hair. Chimichurri is a South American sauce starring plenty of fresh parsley. Persillade is a mixture of chopped garlic and chopped parsley in French cuisine. Parsley is the main ingredient in Italian salsa verde, which is a mixed condiment of parsley, capers, anchovies, garlic, and sometimes bread soaked in vinegar. Dried parsley is sold as a spice, but it is not similar to fresh parsley in flavor. Parsley is a rich source of vitamin K. Beware, eating too much parsley can lead to health problems. Also, don't apply parsley seed oil directly onto the skin, as it can lead to skin problems. I am sure this herb would be a delight to have in your garden. Please follow, like and share our post using the icons below. Please do check out some great recipes at mencanmakehomes.com. Visit us at Early Progressions Faridabad to know lots more. See you soon, green buddies.